All right, here we are at another Bosch Services main floor renovation. I'm going to take you through and show you what we did. A couple of key features in the home. This was the adjoined dining room, living room, and we moved the kitchen over into the formal dining room and then put a dividing wall between the two and created a separate living area. Retiled the foyer, created a den type of space. All the curved walls were existing, and the wall treatment was done by a family member, which the homeowner wanted to keep. So we were able to dress it up and modify it to suit and refinish it. Down the hallway, we have a small two-piece bathroom, new toilet, floors, vanity sink and faucet with a feature wall behind the vanity. We also renovated the laundry room. We put in a closet, relocated the washer and dryer, put a countertop over the two, and then we are into the main living space of the home where we have a family room with a new gas fireplace, built-ins on either side. Sort of like a servery. We got two fridges, one for wine and one for cold beverages. And then some glass cabinets with some featured lighting as well. The existing kitchen was in the center of the home, and we opened up a wall between the two, and we were able to put in a brand new kitchen. We have a split finish. All the wall cabinets are one color, and then the island is a walnut